All right, what's going on, guys? It's Luke here. We're going to run through the market today. Took no trades today. I'm just in this eval trade. I'm seeing if it plays out. My stop's at break even. I'm just not logged in on this account, but if it ends up like stop me out break even, or if it hits TP, I'll just put it in the Discord later. But this really wasn't anything serious. But I'm going to run through the market really quick today, why I didn't take any trades and some setups that you guys could have taken. I do these every single day in the Discord. So if you guys want to join, links in the pinned comment. Alpha Futures discount, code LukeX. If you guys want, go check that out. And let's get right into this. So starting off today, basically we had dumped. Obviously, order flow on the higher time frame in the daily was bearish. And personally, for me, I was saying if we displace lower, I'll look for continuations lower. Otherwise, I want to see a rebalance into this 1 hour gap, maybe take out those highs, just something like that. So in pre-market, there was actually a decent chance to long. I just wasn't trading pre-market, but if you did take this, there was a nice 3-minute. You could have taken this CISD right here, and you could have probably just targeted these relative equal highs, and that would have been a nice little trade right there. You guys could have taken, but obviously pre-market, so it's hard to kind of go over that. So market opens up, and what I see at market open is that we have these 5-minute gaps. So what I'm thinking here is if we respect these 5-minute gaps, I want to see price go higher into this unfilled 1 hour. But if we trade through them, then potentially I can look for the draws lower, right? So basically market opens up and it just starts dumping. And we had this SMT because NQ took these highs here. ES never took them. So we did have a bearish SMT. I just wanted to see those 5-minute gaps get broken below. But again, we just kind of took off here. So if you did short this 1-minute candle, this would be a great trade to that next draw. I don't even have it marked out, but I think there was a draw low or whatever. So if you did get involved in that 1 minute, you see the 1 minute close and you just shorted, that was a great trade. Again, personally for me, I just thought we might hit those 5 minutes and then continue up. Even though we did have that SMT, that's what I was thinking. We'd have a quick move to the upside because again, we still had that draw higher, but I guess you could look at it as we did sweep the buy side here and then we're getting a rotation down. But again, I just kind of faded that there. From there, we end up tapping here. And at this point I was like, okay, maybe we'll get continuations to the upside towards this 930 wick. So I was looking at this 3-minute gap right here. It didn't look like we inversed it. So I kind of just waited and I was like, maybe we'll get a push, a continuation model up here. But then from there, price ends up dumping again. And I think you could have probably taken a short here. Pretty much anywhere here, you could have just shorted. You could have taken probably this 1 minute inversion right here. I don't know, maybe you could have just entered off this candle. You could have gone for a quick break even and then you could have targeted that next draw, whatever it was. But yeah, those seem like the two plays of the day. If you guys shorted this move here on the 931 candle, or you got involved in these shorts here, 950 in the macro, from there, really nothing else happened. We just chopped around. I did not want to try to force a long here. Let's see, hopefully my TP gets hit here. But yeah, we just chopped around and we would just get like random spikes of volume. And then like I didn't see anything. And obviously this is at 11:30, so I wasn't really looking. I just luckily hopped back on the charts to catch this. I'll post the executions and stuff after too. But so hopefully this ends up hitting TP. But to me, like I said, I wanted to see a price move up to that 1 hour. I guess this pre-market long was pretty good here at this 915 candle. But again, from there, I wanted to see those 5-minute gaps push price higher. But again, this short here was great. If you guys did get involved in this short, I think this is a solid trade. Again, I just missed it. Unfortunately, I was thinking that we were going to respect those 5-minute gaps and go higher. From there, I didn't really see anything on the way up here that I wanted to take. Because again, we were trading into bearish gaps. We had a bearish gap here. And as you can see, this 5-minute gap right here ended up pushing price back down. So after you respected that 5-minute gap, really for me, what I was looking at, I was looking for an inverse here, and then we kind of just dumped and took off, and I just didn't get the re-entry that I wanted. I didn't get the pullback and the entry that I wanted. So it is what it is. No trades for me again, but we took wins on, I think, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So we had one loss on Tuesday, and then we had winning trades other than that. So that's it for me, guys. Great end of the week regardless. I don't really care. No trade staying yesterday. We'll be back at it on Monday. I haven't checked the news, but we'll see what happens. But again, after that, we just consolidated. Didn't see anything. I'll run through this really quick. Basically, what happened was I seen that we had manipulated above the highs. I just figured we were going to continue lower. We still have draws lower on the higher time frame. So I just wanted to see a continuation. Basically, what I seen here, we inverse this 3-minute gap. We got a retest of the CISD. Or this, sorry, not the CISD, this 3-minute gap right here, got in as this was pushing down. break even at this unfilled 3-minute, and I was just targeting this low because it gets me to the 1500. I didn't put as much risk on as I was supposed to. I kind of screwed that up, but because I only got in this with like one mini. But yeah, anyway, we'll see. Hopefully this ends up flushing to TP, stops at break even, but it doesn't really matter. But yeah, those shorts seem like the move today. If you guys caught that, those are great trades in my opinion. Just didn't get the entries I wanted. Price was just kind of taken off of me, and I feel like it's a market right now. How price has been moving, you just got to get in on this displacement candles. You're not really going to get the pullback. You could see no pullbacks, and then we just chop around after that. So that's it for me, guys. We'll be back at it. On Monday, and I'll talk to you guys then. Peace.